Hi, it's Rosalie Brown with some happy, healthy eating. This is one of my favorite snacks that don't feel like a sacrifice. It's actually delicious and yummy. We're gonna have jam and crackers, yes, and we're gonna be making our own 2-ingredient jam. All you need to do, let's start with the jam and then we'll talk about the crackers. You'll see I've got a 1-cup bowl of berries and I'm just gonna start mashing them. And again, if you like your jam a little bit more chunky, don't over mush. Again, I like my jam chunky. From there, all you're going to do is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and then stir. And this is what's great about chia. Chia is magical. All you need to do is stir them in, and then what they do is they start to have a jelly coating happen around them, which will start to thicken up your jam. If you do like your jam sweeter, feel free to have a little taste. I do have a bit of stevia or monk fruit to make that a little bit sweeter for you. But my rule of thumb is always taste as you go. This will thicken up in less than an hour. You can put it in your fridge or do it overnight. Now, we want to put them on crackers. Look at these crackers. Whoops. These crackers are my cheese crackers, and they're just made with 1 ingredient. That's right, it's cheese. Over here, I have piles of Parmesan cheese. So all you need to do, and whichever cheese that you like, is to grate little piles of cheese. You would put these piles of cheese on parchment paper, turn the oven on, and do not walk away from the oven. You must stay and watch your oven. Watch while the cheese melts. Watch until the edges start to brown like you see in my finished product. Then with your chia jam, and today I used a combination of blackberries and blueberries, you just take a nice little scoop. And look at this. Now you have crackers with a bit of jam that has so much less sugar in them. And this jam is so fun to make with your children, with your grandchildren. I've done it with blueberries. I've done it with strawberries. I've even done it with apples and made an apple jelly. If you've never worked with chia before, it's magical. It acts as a thickener and has great omega in it as well. So again, you can have your plain cheese cracker, just melted cheese, or you can add some chia jam. This is great to serve to guests at any time and a nice treat without feeling like you're making a sacrifice. Join me here for more happy, healthy cooking.